Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno15 FS, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, right over here, like so, and look for the Do Not Disturb mode. For me, it's visible on the first page right over here. Now, this is the default location of all these toggles, so on your end, it should be in the same place. But if it's not visible here, you can either look for it on other pages, and if you can't find it on any of them, you can add it by clicking right here on this pencil, clicking on the plus, and then scrolling down here till you find it somewhere in the list. Now, you would be looking for the darker looking icons. The lighter ones, like these here, are ones that are already added to our list. And once you find your Do Not Disturb mode, you just simply click on it, gets added, then click on the done right here twice, and this toggle is now added to our list. So once you see it in here, first time around, I recommend holding it. When you do, this gets you this pop-up, Do Not Disturb mode, and here we're going to select more settings. And this will take you to a relatively limited options page right here for the Do Not Disturb mode, but one of the more important ones will be exceptions. Here we can choose exception for calls and messages at the same time, and you have choice between no one, everyone, contacts, and favorites. Most devices do have the distinction of like giving you these options between calls and the messages, not both at the same time. But here you have to choose the same option for both. Now, whatever you choose right here, so as an example, if I select none, you have an additional toggle right below, ring for repeated calls. Now, when enabled, if someone calls you twice within a 3-minute period, which typically I would say would equate to an emergency, they will bypass whatever you have selected right here. So if you want to be basically receive a call because someone has an emergency, that's why they're spam calling the shit out of you, this might be a great option to turn on. Additionally, above there, for the settings, we have one more that would be relatively important to some people, which is the schedule mode. There is usually one pre-made called sleeping and starts at 10 p.m., ends at 7 a.m. and runs every single day of the week, but it is turned off by default. So if you want, you can either turn it on, you can also tap on the text to edit the parameters, so we can change the start and end time and change the days of the week or name. And additionally, we can create multiple different schedules to run at the same time. As you can see, when you create ones, they automatically become enabled, as in like toggled on in here. Not the Do Not Disturb mode isn't going to turn itself on right now because it is supposed to start at 10 p.m. So anyway, that's kind of like an automatic way to use your Do Not Disturb mode. But for everyone else who wants to use it manually, once everything is set up in here, you don't ever have to go back there again. So from there, you just find the toggle and simply tap on it. It gets you this pop-up in Do Not Disturb mode. You will receive notifications for alarms and timers and calendar events. And also something that isn't labeled here is calls and messages, depending on what you have selected. So additionally, the don't show or don't remind again is toggled on box. So when you turn that on, this box doesn't show up again ever. And you can see it's now enabled. So once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off. This mode otherwise will run indefinitely in the background. Now there is a little bit of a workaround to this. If you want to have kind of like a peace of mind that when you forget about it, it is going to turn itself off. And that would be to go into the settings and in the schedule mode, set one schedule to basically run somewhere throughout the middle of the night. So I'm going to select it like 2 a.m. Oh, sorry, let's just redo that. It's going to go 2 a.m. to 2:01 a.m. Off, and every day. So with this, what will now happen is your schedule will try to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode at 2 a.m. You can obviously set whatever timer you want or time to try to turn it on, and a minute later it's going to turn itself off. Now if the do not disturb mode is already enabled, obviously it can't like enable it twice, so it stays on. But a minute later, once the timer runs out, it's going to turn it off, as it is supposed to be off at this point. Though keep in mind there's a little bit of a conflict between these, as this is going to keep it running till 7 AM, so let's just get rid of this one. So now this would turn it off 1 minute later at 2:01, and basically that would kind of give you this peace of mind that the mode isn't permanently on. So every day it would be off in the middle of the night. Now anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.